Hello brothers, I hope you in good health. Previously, Husqvarna already unveiled their new motorbike in 2019 EICMA Motor Show Milan, which one of them is Husqvarna Northern 901. And recently, a spy shot caught Husqvarna testing a new bike from 901 family. From the picture, we can see if this bike is Husqvarna Svartpilen 901. So let's talk about it. Husqvarna Svartpilen 901 caught on spy shot when doing some tests several days ago. It means if this Svartpilen 901 will join its brothers Svartpilen 701 and 401 shortly. This bike known will equip with base engine of KTM Duke R890, which announced in the beginning of this year. The 890cc parallel twin 4-stroke DOHC 8-valve liquid coolant engine. That means this Husqvarna Svartpilen 901 will have maximum power around 121 horsepower at 9,250 rpm and maximum torque 99 newtons at 7,750 rpm. It's not a surprise if upcoming Husqvarna bike will use the same engine and technology as KTM bikes, because several Husqvarna products that launched before already equipped with KTM tools like Northern 901. Even though from the picture we can't see its livery, but the bike predict will have retro modern style. We can feel the retro character on its round lamp design. And above the headlight, this bike also complete with a quite high visor. Other parts that we can spot are Acra Perfect muffler and upside down type front suspension. As its brother Svartpilen 701, we can predict if this Svartpilen 901 also will have the same technology such as ride-by-wire, traction control system, switchable ABS, slipper clutch, and LED lighting system. So let's waiting for this Husqvarna Svartpilen 901 announced in 2021 EICMA Motor Show Milan. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoy this video.